Gut health is pivotal to overall well-being, playing a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. However, certain foods can disrupt this balance, leading to inflammation and a host of health issues. Here are 7 foods that commonly cause gut inflammation, along with brief descriptions of how they impact the digestive system. 1. Fried foods. Fried foods are often high in unhealthy fats and difficult to digest. These foods can disrupt the gut microbiome, reducing bacterial diversity and increasing inflammation. The process of frying also creates trans fats, which are linked to higher levels of inflammatory markers in the body. 2. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can harm the lining of the digestive tract, increasing its permeability, commonly referred to as leaky gut. This condition permits toxins and undigested food particles to pass into the bloodstream, triggering widespread inflammation. Moreover, alcohol disrupts the balance of gut bacteria, further exacerbating inflammatory processes. 3. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausage, and deli meats, contain preservatives, additives, and high levels of saturated fats, which can promote inflammation. These meats are also classified as carcinogenic by the World Health Organization, with strong links to colorectal cancer and chronic inflammation. 4. High sugar foods and beverages. Foods and drinks high in sugar can lead to an imbalance in gut bacteria, known as dysbiosis. This imbalance can trigger inflammation and is associated with a higher risk of metabolic diseases such as obesity and diabetes. Sugar also feeds harmful bacteria, exacerbating gut health issues. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Often found in diet products, artificial sweeteners can cause gastrointestinal issues like bloating and diarrhea. They may alter the gut microbiome, leading to metabolic disorders and inflammation. Studies suggest that artificial sweeteners can negatively impact gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining gut health. 6. Highly processed foods. Processed foods often contain additives like preservatives, emulsifiers, and artificial flavorings, which can harm the gut lining and trigger inflammation. These foods are typically low in fiber, a crucial component for healthy digestion and gut bacteria. Regular consumption of processed foods can lead to chronic digestive issues and persistent inflammation. 7. Dairy products. For those who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy, consumption can lead to gastrointestinal distress and inflammation. Dairy products may also contain hormones and antibiotics that disrupt the gut microbiome. Symptoms of dairy-induced inflammation include bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Avoiding these inflammatory foods can significantly improve gut health. Opt for a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrient-dense choices support a healthy gut microbiome, reduce inflammation, and promote overall wellness.